First one's to pull up like always.
Alright guys, here's my little setup for my truck and tree. The invisible truck. So my truck's not ready. We're gonna do this little thing. Got the skeleton, the truck in the middle. Shane, go stand inside the middle and pretend like you're putting your hands on the truck. No, more in the front. Like right here, like on the hood, right here. Stand right here. And then just go like this. No, on the other side. Stand right here. And then put your, hold this with this side. And go like this. And then like lean a little bit like you're leaning on the truck. Hold up, don't move. Nice. The invisible truck. Yeah, I got caution tape también si quieres ponerle. Whose phone's on the floor? USB. Pop the switches! Alright guys, well, that's it for the video. Truck and treat was a success. A lot of bullz members pulled up. Shout out to everybody who else pulled up. Shout out to Words for letting us host with you guys. Shane, you want to say anything? You got a lot of candy? Alright, make sure to tell them what?
Just subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Say deuces.
Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Dust.
Perfect.